Hello, my name is Noortje and I work in the Center for Reviews and Dissemination. First as a PhD student and later as a postdoc, I've tried in different ways to support other researchers at our university. Before this year, I was mostly involved with groups and initiatives in my own department. And for me, the role of Research Staff Liaison Officer was a way to keep doing something positive for researchers at York, but then wider across the university. And that was a bit daunting at first, but I've learned a lot from doing this role. It has given me a chance to get to know people in other departments, both research and support staff. And those are people that I probably would have never come across otherwise. I've joined university-wide committees, and it's been really interesting to see how these committees work, who's involved in them, how the meetings are run, and how you can make a meaningful contribution as a researcher. I felt this role is really valued and taken seriously by the people I've engaged with, and that has made it a lot easier to participate in discussions. One of the most interesting and important things going on this year is the new researcher Concordat. And for the person taking on my role next year, I think it will be exciting to be involved in this, because you will really have a chance to make changes to the work environment for researchers at York. And that helps all of us to make the most of our research and of our careers. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mia Shandell, and I'm currently a postdoc in the York Structural Biology Laboratory. I've been a research staff liaison officer at York since last fall. And during this time, it has been really lovely for me to meet researchers from different departments across the university and hear about their experiences, as well as relate our experiences to people who make decisions about how to best support researchers at the university. I think my favorite part of this whole research staff liaison officer position has been involvement in the design of the Concordat action plan. So we get to take part in in-depth discussions with the Research Excellence Training Team and the Concordat Implementation Group about our lived experiences as researchers and how we think the tenets of the new Concordat could best be implemented at York. So it's been invaluable to feel that I can make a positive difference, and also that I can help other researchers make a positive difference in how the university supports us.
Hello, my name is Vijay JC. I am one of the research staff liaison officers. In my role as a research staff liaison officer, I facilitated communication and networking between research staff, both within departments, across faculties, and the wider university research community. As a member of the Concordat Implementation Group, I contributed to the development of a new Concordat Action Plan. So the main aim of this is to create a supportive research environment for researchers at York. In this role, I also worked with York researchers, research staff, and postdoc societies to solicit their views and opinions in the research development Concordat consultation. This role provided me an excellent opportunity to engage with the university research community, develop new collaboration, reaching out and getting aware of the Concordat Action Plan and the work university has put in place to support the career development of researchers. And it also improved my understanding of current research culture and the higher education environment. This resulted in gaining a range of transferable skills beyond research.
Hi everyone, it's Jamie Koo. I'm the current PGR Student Liaison Officer, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about what I've been doing over the last year. So I've been involved with the How to Thrive and Survive in Your PhD project since it was founded in 2018. And in my role since around October 2019, I've worked to expand on the project, to take students' feedback on board to evolve and adjust the session so that we're better meeting what students want. And I've also introduced a few new themed sessions, such as one on public engagement and another one on health, well-being and work-life balance. So the strength of the sessions is really that they're peer-led, that it's about PhD students talking to other PhD students about their personal experiences and perspectives of the PhD journey. And I'm really pleased to say that even in spite of everything that's been happening in the world and with working from home and the lockdown, we've managed to still run quite a number of sessions from March to now, and to provide some sort of community support for the PGR community. I've personally really enjoyed being able to meet lots of other PhD students and postdocs throughout the universities from disciplines that I wouldn't ordinarily interact with. Organizing these workshops have really honed my project management skills, and it's actually also just really rewarding to be able to share my personal experiences and insights on the PhD journey with other PhD students. It's just a really nice feeling to be able to support other people who are facing the same kinds of challenges, as well as to just share lots of uplifting, motivational inspiration for people so that they know that the PhD is not just a struggle, but can be really joyful as well.